Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Channel name is Munib Horticulturist. Today the topic of discussion regarding horticulture is automatic irrigation. As we know, irrigation means to water the crops and plantation by any of the means rather than the rainfall. Rainfall can't be considered as irrigation because it's a natural shower and on the basis of time it's random. What is an automatic irrigation? It means an operation of a system which provides exact amount of water to the crops and plantation with no or just a minimum manual intervention besides the surveillance and vigilance. Almost every system can be automated by the help of timers, panels, sensors, decoders, computers or mechanical appliances. Automatic irrigation system makes the irrigation process smooth and more efficient so labor can concentrate the other farming tasks. On the other hand, automatic irrigation system can be a little bit expensive and for installation may needs some experts to plan and design. What is the purpose of this system? The main and most important purpose of this system is to utilize each and every drop of water precisely with zero water loss. What is the horticulture strategy for installation? The horticulture strategy of installation is when only we will install this system after leveling, dressing and just before the grassing, and this is the most appropriate investment towards automatic irrigation system. In developed countries it has become a great trend. Even each and every garden, each and every park, each and every median, each and every green belt is well equipped by the system of automatic irrigation. But in developing countries it's becoming a trend with slow behavior and poor adaptation. There are two main reasons of this slow behavior and poor adaptation. First is innovation. As we know, innovation can't be accepted so fast. This is the main lacking. Second is high budget investment. In developing countries, mostly people are reluctant and hesitated to invest high budget on automatic irrigation system. This is also the main lacking. So both these logics and reasons are behind the slow adaptation and poor adaptation of automatic irrigation system in developing countries. There are 3 to 4 lectures required for this topic to explain. I will explain and elaborate each and every aspect of automatic irrigation. This is the first lecture. Next I'll come with the new topic regarding horticulture. Till then, stay safe, keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.